Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This video is for Muslims and maybe for non-Muslims. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What we have in Islam concerning racism or blacks or whites or Muslims or non-Muslims, what we have is that the Prophet, one of his companions, his name is Bilal, as we know for sure. Bilal was a companion. He bared a lot for Islam. He did a lot for Islam, and he was a dark-skinned or black person. The consideration for the color of Bilal was not in Islam at all. Even that Abu Sufyan was the masters of Quraysh. When he entered Islam, he saw Bilal sitting right beside the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him. What he did is said that Bilal is closer to the Prophet because of one thing. He accepted Islam, he was called for Islam and he accepted it, but we were called, he's talking about himself, we were called to Islam but we didn't accept it, so we were that far from the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him. Racism in Islam, doesn't really, we're not concerned because we're talking about hearts, believers and non-believers. If you believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we're all humankind, we're mankind. We are closer to Allah by the deeds and actions that everybody does. Because everybody, if I want to go closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the only way to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is by actions and deeds. And I want you to tell me, if somebody is doing good actions and he's dark skinned, and somebody is not doing actions to get closer to Allah, and he's whatever, Caucasian or whatever, in that case, who is closer to Allah? Iman in the heart increases by the actions and deeds, and you lose it by not doing any deeds to get closer to Allah. So the matter is not the color, the matter is not the race, the matter is where you're from, Oriental or Caucasian or whatever. The matter is to get close to Allah by actions and deeds. And thank you very much. I appreciate you all. And I wish you all actions, all good actions and deeds, inshallah. Thank you very much.